drum controller. It may be also called as that is the PLC sequencer, and here they will given you that this one is that is the mechanical drum controller. Basically, this mechanical drum controller we can use to control the sequence of operations repeatedly. It means when you have to perform the operations in number of times or in the repeated form, then at that times this mechanical drum controller will be maintain the proper sequence. And so with respect to that sequence, you can observe that the programming or the program that we can be done or the result that we can get across the output is very proper. So the basic example they will be given you that the traffic light controller, which one is the simple example of sequencer, okay, which is now controlled by using the some electronics method or some electronics area. But previously they are used the sequencer that was based on the rotating drum with cams that will be open or close relay contact. म्हणजे बघा, it means that की when we can't have the any type of the electronics media or the electronics technology at that time, to maintain that sequence continuously or the repeatedly, we can use the mechanical drum controller. Because this mechanical drum controller काय काम करायचा, this mechanical drum controller is properly maintain the open and close contacts repeatedly with respect to the relay. Means ज्या relay सोबत तो काय करायचा आहे, it will be perform the action with the relay. Okay, and the relay contacts, मग रिले कॉन्टॅक्ट हा जो काही ओपन आणि क्लोज होतो. सो ॲट दॅट टाइम वेन the operation we can performing by using the relay, at that times this mechanical drum controller will be maintain the sequence of operations with the relay, with the relay contact. So here you can observe this is the simple drum or drum controller, and this drum controller we are having the that is the some open and the close contact here. So you can observe this one is the one side and this is the another side. So basically here you can observe the sequence they can be generate here. So on your screen you can observe that. So this is the sequence first, second, third. Again that is another from the another side or same side we can observe. Okay, so the drum controller basically rotates slowly to under the surface, and it will be open the contacts or it will be rise fold the contacts properly. It means whenever the relay is open and the close sequentially, this drum continuously rotate the sequence किंवा जो काही सरफेस आहे त्या सरफेसवरती हा कंटिन्युअसली काय करायचं जे पण काय असणार आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादी बॉटल आहे, तर त्या सरफेसवरती ती बॉटल पुढे पुश करणे, ओपन करणे, काय करणे, तर त्यासाठी तुम्ही हे बघत होते. सो बाय ॲडजस्ट आता कशा पद्धतीने ते काम होत होतं ते आपल्याला बघायचं. सो बाय ॲडजस्टिंग द circumference length of rises and the drops and the speed of cylinder, the on and off times of the contacts will be adjusted. सो बेसिकली जसं आपण एक म्हणतो की ट्रॅफिक लाईटचं आता जर बेसिक एक्झाम्पल जर आपण घेतलं की कंटिन्युअसली जी काही सिक्वेन्स जनरेट होत असते, तर तुम्ही बघा यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व दॅट ऑन युअर राईट हँड साइड यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व द second continuously you can observe, and with respect to that you can follow the instructions. Okay, so basically in the absence of these PLC sequencer, how this drum controller will be work. So this drum controller is maintain the first operation or the first properties of this drum controller is that it will be maintain the sequence properly. Second thing is that it will be generate this program or whatever the sequence that we can be instruct by using the program. आता जे पण तुम्ही काही रिले कॉन्टॅक्टच्या थ्रू तुम्ही जे काही ऍक्शन परफॉर्म करत असाल, पहिलं म्हणजे ती सिक्वेन्शियली कंटिन्युअसली ती परफॉर्म करायची प्रॉपर सिक्वेन्स. अँड द सेकंड इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज दॅट रिपीटेडली मीन्स सपोज सेम ऑपरेशन्स तुम्हाला कंटिन्युअसली जर चालू ठेवायचं असेल, देन देर इज अ वन पॉइंट of the relay. At that time the relay is open and the another point where we can observe that the relay is closed. So with respect to these relay contact means sometimes the relay is open and sometimes or the somewhere the relay is closed. So the drum controller is maintained that open and the close contact with respect to the relay, and due to that we can observe आणि ह्या केल्यामुळे का तुम्हाला बघायला मिळालं, the sequence are continuously परफॉर्म और सिक्वेन्स जी होती तुम्ही ती आपण काय करू शकलो, वी कॅन कंटिन्युअसली ऑब्झर्व. ओके, सो दिस ड्रम कंट्रोलरला नंतर काय केलं, वी कॅन रिप्लेस विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह द PLC सिक्वेन्सर. सो PLC सिक्वेन्सर मध्ये मग आपण याला काय करून टाकलंय, नंतर रिप्लेस केलंय. ओके.